Yeah, it was time for the Ghanaian team, the best team in Africa, to get to the field. So on our way to Dakar. When we got to Dakar, some teams from Africa were already playing, and as you can see, the Ugandans were having their day. So it's Uganda versus another African team, and it was a nice match between the Ugandans and the other team from Africa. And the Ugandans had a superb goal. Yeah, that's a goal. Celebration in there.
Because yeah, you depend on power.
You can see Team Ghana is full of morale, it's full of energy. Ghanaian team, the Ghanaians Gemeinschaft, full energy. So it was time for the Ghanaians to play the people of Gambia. It was a nice match. Let's have a look of the match between Ghana and the Gambian team. Ghanaians couldn't win the cup. We couldn't win the cup. We couldn't just win. Just get a cup home. But better luck next time. I hope next year the Ghanaian team will lift the cup. This is Meet Child Show. Ghana versus Gambia in your view? Yeah, that was a cracker. A nice match by our standard. What you can do is to subscribe and like this video and share to people. So this is another team from Ulm. Ulm is a city in Bavaria. So Ghanaians are playing a team from Ulm. That is a nice match. Beautiful play by the Ghanaians. Nice touches, nice passes. Yeah. And Ghanaians have won a penalty. That is a penalty. Oh. Penalty. And that is a goal. Ghana has scored. Ghana has scored.